This is gonna be real cool. So all we need is gonna be a pen and a fidget spinner. It's gonna be so cool. So we gotta take the caps off. Okay. And then get the pen. Take the cap off. Done. Then get the pen, the fidget spinner, boom, and then slide it in. You have a fidget pen, but it's real cool. Oh my god. Could be like a helicopter or a fan or a plane. It's real cool. Looks real cool on the camera. Which way do you like the better? Which way do you like is better to spin? This way? Or this way? Or the same way but with the caps? Or this way, but with the caps. Subscribe, leave a comment below. And which way do you like your spinner? First, second, third. Peace. We out. You know what to do. You know what to do. Keep spinning and stay calm.